Let's start changing the connector at our end. With the help of a wire cutter we will cut and remove the tie wire from the sleeve. Starting with cutting the sleeve off so the wires which seem to be backed out can be fixed. Take a screwdriver and unscrew the clamp. Also you can hold the bolts given with the help of a nose plier properly. Now we can unclamp the steel clamp from the SB75 connector. With the help of a minus screwdriver we will push back the clips inside connectors so that power pins can be plugged out with a clicking voice. Check the unplugged pins are fine or the molten layer is there on it. Both pins are now plugged out of the connector. Now with the help of the original Anderson pins extraction tool, you can push back the can pins with the click voice. It will come out of its lock internally. Both can pins are also removed from the connector now. With the help of a knife paper cutter cut the PVC sleeve and remove from the pins. Cut the pins off the wire so that wire strands come free out as free ends. Similarly cut the can pins as well off the wire. After removing 1 inch of the PVC from the tips of the wire end you can roll the wire strands with the help of hands or plier. Now place the pins on these open strands of wire and proceed to crimp the pins with the help of crimping tool. Crimp the pins tightly and check with stretching the pins if crimping is done properly or not. Similarly remove the extra PVC off the can pins. Now you can insert the wire into the new can pins. Start crimping with a can crimping tool. Now take a new connector and now try to lock the pins inside the connectors. A click voice will indicate that the pins are locked inside the connector. With the help of an original Anderson insertion tool, push and place the can pins to its place inside the connector. In the end, and intersected pins which are used for ignition will also go inside the connector. Now as the final touch, screw the clamp on the new contour. A special instruction you should keep in mind is that output wires have positive and negative terminals. Please pay attention for polarity. Similarly for can pins, these pins show can low and can high. So please try to put the pins back on the same polarity, which is essential for proper connection.